For 40-plus years, Brooks has been the leader in automation. With the addition of collaborative robots to Brooks, we can automate loading and unloading ICTs, FCTs, and final test operations, inspection, sorting, assembly, and odd-form component placing. Automating these tasks helps improve quality and production methodologies, increasing capacity and better throughput. PreciseFlex collaborative robots enable precise, reliable handling, decrease particulates in controlled environments, and, by reducing human contact, reduce potential ESD damage. Robots are easy to implement even in tight spaces, working unguarded to improve workforce productivity, enabling shorter ROI, lower cost, and more flexible operations. By automating repetitive and mundane tasks, product quality is improved, human errors are eliminated, labor requirements are reduced. Cobots can even enable lights-out shifts working 24/7. The unique geometry of the PreciseFlex robots delivers 50% larger usable working envelope as compared to vertical articulated robots. PreciseFlex enables a safe environment for workers with minimal risk of product damage. We offer a standard servo gripper and compliance capability to precisely handle sensitive printed circuit boards. Brooks Automation customers have access to an expanded service network around the world. With thousands of units in operation, PreciseFlex is the proven solution for your electronics manufacturing automation needs. Brooks is planning for the future and will continue to advance automation technology to help our customers succeed.